In this video, we're going to chat about small businesses and if you're actually getting the most out of your marketing budget. So, you should probably ask yourself, that's the number one question. What is my budget, and am I really getting a return on investment from this budget? Cards are always in the background here. And when you're looking on your return on investment from your marketing, make sure you remember that there's a few different ways of achieving a return on investment: monetary and engagement. A lot of businesses strictly just look for monetary return on investment in terms of marketing. If I spend $1, I better be making $5. And that's totally fair. But what a lot of businesses do not consider, and I'll be honest, it's usually small businesses, is the power of social media. Is your business on Facebook? Is it on Instagram? Do you have an automated message that allows you to save time and simply just answers all questions that someone might ask you through Facebook? What are your opening times? When are your closing times? Where are you located? What's your website? How much do you charge? What are your minimums? What are your services? Right? You shouldn't have to answer every single time. You should have an automated message that simply just answers them all for you and allows you to book leads in or create coupon offers to draw traffic into your store, or have a call and go in, do a free consultation and then make a sale. That's how Facebook should be used in terms of social media for small businesses. In terms of Instagram, Instagram is extremely underutilized by almost every small business I talk to. You talk to somebody who owns an Instagram business or an Instagram account, and it's attached to their business account, and it's pictures of them and their families, and it's almost like it's a personal account, and you need to be able to separate your business account from your personal account regarding Instagram. Instagram is so underutilized for most of these small businesses that it's incredible. The power that Instagram has, the power that social media has, is unfathomable. There are companies that create an Instagram account and then reach out to social media influencers, Instagram influencers, and say, here's a coupon code or here's a free product. Can you mention me and my company in return for this free product, or a monetary value, anywhere between $100 to $1,000 sometimes. And that one person who has 250,000 followers who enjoy what you're selling has now raised your bottom line tenfold, right? So the return on investment in Instagram, in social media, is exceptional. If you own a patio cover business, for example, your business is building patio covers. On Instagram and on Facebook, you can offer a $500 off coupon, for example, if you book with this coupon code. If you refer a friend and that friend books through your link, we'll give you an extra $200 off, and you're going to give the friend $200 off. We'll give you an extra $200 off. We'll give you an extra $200, right? Rambled on for a little bit, but we'll give you $200. And it's just simple things like that. $200 for them, $200 off the referral, and you're looking at $400, which is $100 less than what you offered this person in the first place. And if you're creating patio covers, they could be anywhere between, $5,000 to $10,000. I used to build them. We used to build $5,000 was our minimum for patio covers. This is just patio covers. You can use it for restaurants, for roofing, for plumbing, for heating. And once you create a post and you have it up there and you're getting engagement on it, you're getting likes, you're getting comments, you've hashtagged everything properly, and you put it out into the world, and you start building your brand, and you start building your brand's company, people will relate to you and your Instagram. So they'll follow you. They'll want to see your journey. where your company is, what's going on, what offers you have, what you're giving people. Having someone follow you on Instagram and on Facebook and offering two different coupon codes or two different discounts based on who's following and the ability to combine them, that's massive. A $5,000 patio cover with two different coupon codes, as long as they follow you, you know, you can sell a $5,000 patio cover, give them $500 off, and still walk away with $4,500 in your pocket in terms of patio covers. Now, of course, depending on your business, you're going to have to change that number around. But what I'm trying to get at is, if your business isn't on social media, if you don't have an Instagram or Facebook account that's building your brand consistently and building your brand in the right way and engaging with the correct audience and hashtagging the right things, you're missing out on potential of thousands and thousands of thousands of dollars of lost revenue. You should be charging for your services and building your brand at the exact same time. And I understand that you don't have 24 hours a day to run your business and use social media. I'm not naive. I totally get that. But there are people out there, there are softwares out there, there are ways that you can automate this so that you're not spending excessive amounts of your time developing strategies, developing coupon codes, developing ways to engage your audience and build your brand and creating a massive following. Guys, there are influencers in the world who travel all around the world whose sole business is simply just to advertise other people's businesses, utilizing their 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, million followers on Instagram alone. You can build an entire plumbing company or roofing company through Instagram and through engagement and putting your brand and yourself out there and saying, hey guys, check out the work that we've done. Check out what we've done for other people. If you book a call with us now and mention coupon code Roofer123, and you book with us, then you're going to get a $500 off coupon. Or come to Jordan's ice cream store and get $2 off of your first ice cream that you buy with us. It's just simple things like that you can offer through social media and through Instagram and through the actual brand building platform. I can't stress this enough, and I can't say this in enough ways. You have to get your brand on social media. It's 2018. If you're a small business and you don't have your brand, your company on social media, on Instagram, you're not building the brand with comments, likes, photos, it's not being engaged with, you might have a very successful company. But the truth is that when all of the millennials grow up and the generation under the millennials grow up, they're not going to be utilizing regular referral methods. They're not going to be utilizing the same sort of just Google search based ways to find companies and products. They're not going to go ask mom and dad what is the best company. They're going to ask their friend. Then they're going to look on Instagram at Jordan's Ice Cream. How many likes do you have? How many followers do you have? What do your pictures look like? Do I even want to check you out? How many videos do you have that are engaging? How cool is it? How many swirls are inside of the ice cream? What do your roofs look like? What do the pipes look like when they're installed? What does it look like when there's a rusty pipe compared to a brand new pipe if you're a plumber? Do you see what I'm saying? The asset is so powerful, and it's very important. So please do not simply just look at social media if you're a business owner and say, now, you know what, I'm doing very well, I don't need that. You might be doing very well, and that's great. But if you don't jump on it now, in 5 years, you're going to be 5 years too late, and all of the companies within your niche that did utilize social media, that hired a marketer or learned how to do it themselves, are going to be light years ahead of you. And that's all there is to it. That's why building a brand utilizing social media Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, because mostly Instagram, because I talk a lot about it, and Facebook are so important in this day and age. You have to build a digital strategy along with your company. No matter what it is. No matter what. You have to. It might not seem like it's going to give you a return on investment, but look at some of the largest companies out there in your niche. Do Google search. Look up the largest companies, the most profitable companies in your niche. I guarantee you they have a YouTube channel, an Instagram channel, and a Facebook channel. At the very least, they're going to have an Instagram channel. Look at their engagement. Look at how many people actually talk to them, engage with them, like them, comment, watch their videos. Those are the people that you can retarget. Those are the people that are going to buy from you. Those are the people that you can sell to, not right now, not in a month, but maybe at the end of the year. Those are the type of people that will consistently follow you and then all of a sudden be like, you know what, I really want to try this. You know what, I really want to buy this. You know what, I really want to do this. Anyways, guys, that's it. For this short video, my short videos are tending to be a little over 10 minutes long now, but it's very simple, it's very easy. Why building a digital strategy and being on social media is so important. If you don't know what you're doing and you want some advice, I can help you. You know, as marketers, we can help you. We can do it for you. We have services for that. Or you can simply just look it up on YouTube and figure out how to do it all yourself. I'm not going to lie to you. Figuring out and doing it yourself is going to be cheaper. But hiring a marketer, such as myself, Marcia Media, or another agency for that matter, you're going to get better results. They're going to be faster results, and your brand is going to build that much quicker utilizing people like us. And that's about it for this video.